Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we are diving into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges and exploring how you can benefit from using the BingX referral code. So, what exactly is BingX? BingX is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange that not only provides trading options for a variety of digital assets, but also offers a user-friendly interface and powerful tools for traders of all levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, BingX has something to offer you. Now, let's talk about the exciting benefits of using the BingX referral code, CHUCHU. When you sign up using this code, you unlock exclusive perks, including bonuses on your first deposit, reduced trading fees, and access to special promotions. This means more profits and fewer expenses right from the start. Imagine entering the crypto market not just with the standard features, but with additional advantages that can enhance your trading experience. With the referral code CHUCHU, you can maximize your potential gains while minimizing costs. It's a smart choice for anyone serious about maximizing their investments. Additionally, BingX is known for its innovative features, like copy trading, where you can follow and imitate successful traders. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you can enter this exciting aspect of trading with additional benefits under your belt. And that's not all. By simply using the referral code, you help support the Crypto Horizon channel. It's a fantastic way to give back while benefiting yourself at the same time. So, if you want to take your trading to the next level, make sure to take advantage of the BingX referral code, CHUCHU, when you sign up today. Experience the full potential of your trading journey with exclusive benefits tailored just for you. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Happy trading!